Hi, I've been playing a lot of Minesweeper recently, and at the start of January I decided I wanted to make a project with it. At the same time, I was curious about the command line because I'd never really needed to use it before, and I hadn't played around with it too much. I did some research and found out about the curses library and its Python version, which I used to make this game. Curses is a library that helps you develop applications for the command line, and it provides capabilities like refreshing the entire command line interface, creating pseudo windows in the command line, like bordering and making sure that you can't draw past a certain point, moving the cursor around the screen, and listening to input, among a few. I structured my project with separate functions to handle the board, taking input, and working out all the logic. Some interesting insights and challenges I faced were figuring out what save data to change relative to calling the frame reset and the drawing method, where often I would make a change and then I would reset the frame because I only reset the frames whenever something was updated instead of on every tick, so that it wouldn't, there's no need to refresh every single 60th of a second if you're not changing anything. And then often it would redraw and the change would not show up because I had incorrect ordering logic. Making the method that clears tiles also handling chording recursively was interesting, where I had to make sure that it would chord everything around the tile I clicked on, but not also try to chord tiles that were cleared within the chord, if that makes sense. There are a limited number of font colors you can make with curses for Windows, which was annoying because I couldn't get every single tile to have its accurate color, but my cheat fix was that I just made the really low frequency tiles like 8 and 9 repeats of other colors, because you're almost never going to see them anyways. And I learned how to navigate my computer through the command line, which was quite fun. So yeah, another project down.